Hi, StreetText, Jenifer Salter with eXp Realty. And at your request, I am going to show you about the BombBomb templates. I'm going to tell you a little bit about why they're important. And the first thing you're going to need to do is go to your BombBomb dashboard. And where it says emails right up here, we're going to go ahead and click on that. And we're going to click on New Email right here. Now, once we click on New Email, it's going to bring up all these options. Sorry, my computer's been working hard today. And we're going to go to Change Template right here, Change Template. We're going to go to All Template. You could see I've been playing around, but we're going to go to All Templates. A lot of you have asked which one I use, and I just switched it up, but I'm going to show you what I started with. So under All Templates, we're going to scroll, and a lot of these are really cute, but I've got to be honest, just like StreetText is always going to brand themselves as StreetText, right? And BombBomb is always going to brand themselves as BombBomb. You guys are realtors, so I like these, but I would never use them. You guys need to have your own brand, and you can always switch it up, but all your emails, all your letterheads, all of your BombBomb templates, they should all correspond and look similar. So that's why when I go through all of these cute templates, I scroll down to the JS templates, and you're going to see what those look like. So if you scroll all the way down, you're going to see some templates that look kind of blank. Well, they're not blank. They're fantastic, and you can create your own. So here's the first one, JS Call to Action. JS Call to Action 3 buttons. And they have several options, okay? You can play around with this. Now, what brought me here in the first place is because one thing that I kept hearing is people are telling me that my emails are going to spam. Well, I did a lot of digging and research, and I am no expert by any means. But a lot of times we'll try to include our website or links to homes in an email, and any kind of link that you are putting through an email is actually triggering a spam response. So this gives a really nice loophole to include multiple different links that aren't detected by spam, and therefore more of your emails are going to get open and it looks more professional. So this is the one that I like the best. It's called JS Call to Action 3 buttons. So you're going to click on this. Okay. And at this point, this one you can say save as, and you're going to put my home valuation template or whatever this template is for. Okay. Subject line, video from whatever. I change this each time. So we're going to do, well, you guys can play around with it. The purpose of this is really just to kind of show you where everything is. And the reason I like this is, okay, so it gives you, the top part is a little header. You can upload a picture. This is where I like to put my logo. So right now, branded. Okay. Now, as far as the video, I actually leave this blank because you're going to get a valuation request at 3 in the afternoon, and you might look, oh, beautiful and ready to go, and you can actually do a live video right there. Hey, so-and-so, thanks so much for requesting a valuation. I'm on it. Hey, this is a picture of your house. Let me show you what I thought. Can't wait to talk to you. My name is whoever. However, there are times where you're in your pajamas and you're not doing a video, but you want to give that instant response because let's face it, people have a thought one moment, and if we're not on it, it's gone. So you can send a canned video. So I always just leave this blank. Now, here is where I like to put your home valuation, but you can, again, do whatever you want. Call to action. This is where you can include all your fantastic links. So when you press it, this one could see, read my reviews. You can put whatever website you want. Next one, you can go ahead and maybe you want that one to say, check out my Facebook page, and then you can attach your Facebook page link. So if I wanted to say, check out my Facebook page, and then I go over to my Facebook page and I copy my link, and then I go right back over to BombBomb and I put that in. BombBomb will tell you when somebody actually clicks on your stuff. Here, I like to include a picture of myself and all your profile information. When you save it, you'll be very upset if you lose your stuff or you think you lose it. When you save it, you're going to save it as a template, and you're also going to save it as a quick send. Okay, we're not going to go into all the details of why, just do it that way. Now, we're going to go on to the second part of what I wanted to show you. So that's the templates. Everyone that I've spoken to recently wants to know, well, how long does it take you to do evaluation? I don't spend more than 5 minutes on them. However, I do take my time. I feel like I kind of have it now into a science, so I'm going to explain to you what I do. I have a Mac, but whatever computer you have, wherever you keep your notes, okay? So this is my notes area. This is my Facebook requested home valuation script, okay? This is what I'm copying and pasting into all of those templates, the template that we just created, right? So the only thing I'm changing is this. So this was the last address that I pulled. This is my title, I change it. I come over here in my script, I change the address. Now, I enter that bad boy into Zillow and Realtor and Movado or Redfin or whoever. I like to show a high number and a really low number. So sometimes I'll play around. I'll look at Realty Track, I'll look at City Data, I'll look at Movado. So for instance, I plug in that address. Of course, it's not going to come up because I want to show everybody. That's just the way it is. So let's just pretend I'm going to click on this. So if this is the address we're doing, 22 Meridian Drive in Garner, then I'm going to open it up, and on every day other than when I'm making a video, it would open right up. But for today, it doesn't want to. And so literally, I'm going to have them all open. Zillow, Redfin, Movado. I'm going to copy and paste the value, click on my notes, go to Zillow. I'm going to copy and paste the value. I'm going to do the same thing for Realtor, right? So let's just say that this was the same house. I'm going to copy and paste. That's Redfin. All right, so I'm going to go to Redfin. I'm going to copy and paste the price, and then I'm going to do the same thing at Realtor or whatever. But you see how I keep those tabs open? Whatever I'm using, okay? I keep them open, and then I copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. Now, at this point, I'm at the point where I'm actually going to be doing the work, right? I'm going to go and run a valuation of their house. Now, how do I do that when you haven't seen the house, and how long do I spend? I don't, okay? I'm trying to give them a glimpse. Hopefully it's similar to what, online guesses are, but you know what, at the same time, even if it's not, that just goes to show the internet has no clue. What I do is on my MLS, whatever the subdivision is, I highlight the subdivision, and then I look at all active, closed, pending, contingent for that subdivision in the last year. If they're not in a subdivision, I take their address, I put it in the mapping tool, and I map a 1 mile radius. And then what I do is I sort it by square footage. And from there, I can look at the average sold price per square foot in that direct area. I can see there's some outliers. Maybe one's really high and one's really low. Well, I can knock those out and kind of look at the median. So if I see most of them are selling for about 155 a square foot, perfect. I go over here, I have my range. I try to make this more narrow than the internet because the internet has these wide ranges. I want to give them something good. Then from there, I take all of this and I copy it. I go over to my BombBomb dashboard. I'm going to enter my address or my email. Okay. I'm going to choose my template. It's going to be whatever template you just made. So for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to copy, paste. Okay, I'm going to go over here, copy and paste my title. Emojis have been shown to help with the open link or open rate of an email. Marcus actually taught us all that. And if you're wondering what script I'm using, by the way, this is either from Marcus or Logan or Steven, but they kind of created a great little script, and I'm happy to kind of share mine with you that I kind of tweaked from them. Now from there, see, I'm done. So at this point, I want to be notified when they play a video, when they open an email. The last thing I have to do is add my video. So let's just pretend that I was dressed and ready and wanted to make them a video. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to actually go to a video that I created. All right, let's just say it's this one. We're going to insert it. Okay. This is ready to go at this point. This is what it's going to look like to them. So when they open the email, they have my logo. They have the video valuation that was done. And you notice I start at their house. That definitely will trigger their attention. They can check out my reviews. They can see me on Facebook. They can see my website. They see a picture of me, more me. Trust me, it's so much me, it's sickening. But it's brand recognition, so it's important. So then I just click send. And now I'm ready to go on to the next one. And I repeat this process until I've done all of them during the day. Now you can look at just the first 4 you can see on my screen. Well, except mine. But the first 4 you see they're open. Now it's time for me to go ahead and take some more action. They're opening them. Some of them, they opened it twice. So this is what you're looking for. Now, I hope this was helpful. This is all, obviously not all inclusive. If you have questions for me, I'm more than willing to help. And, I think that's what's so great about StreetText. We all share. So share your ideas. And if you have questions, I'm happy to help. And yeah, rock on, guys.